Question head.
144 divided by, in the bracket, 12 times 2, bracket closed, multiplied by a. So first, we'll solve the bracket.
So 12 times 2 equals 24. Now, 144 divided by 24.
Multiply by a. Now let's solve it. 144 divided by 24 multiplied by 3.
We go with division before multiplication. They have the same priority, so we'll check from left to right. When checking from left to right, we'll give first priority to division, second priority to multiplication. Now let's solve further. 144 divided by 24 times 8. Now, it will go 6 times. Now, 6 times 8 equals 48. This is the right example.